Reading with friends is a great way to enjoy literature together and foster an appreciation for written works. It also allows friends to connect and discuss books together. This is an invaluable service that helps people to connect, learn, and grow together. Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. The moon has a unique, uneven surface filled with craters, mountains, and valleys. It has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and musicians for centuries. The moon is a beautiful sight to behold, and it has a profound effect on the human psyche. It is no wonder that people have been drawn to it for so long.